Sometimes we have got to step into nature and just exist. Nature speaks to us. We're in such denial of this. Nature has a voice, and it's so quiet, but it's also so powerful. Such a beautiful tree. In general, nature is beautiful. And we just always feel like we can just attack her and take her down. But guess what? Her roots run deep, and her branches reach to the sky. So regardless of how much we keep destroying her, like a mother, she is going to protect herself and her children, which is everything on this planet, not just humans. So if some humans have to go in order for her to thrive, honestly, that's nothing compared to the beauty that we ignore, mistreat, and disrespect. Trash, we throw our trash on the ground. We run over animals like it just doesn't matter. Like, oh, no big deal. It's just a squirrel. We go and hunt deer. Now, in my opinion, if you're eating the deer and you're giving thanks to it for feeding you, I understand. But if you're just hunting for sport, screw that. Disrespect. It's disrespectful. We came here, and I say we, but you know what I'm talking about. Colonizers come here into the world that already exists beautifully and just feel like you can claim this. There is a curse that is about to be lifted. My ancestors are speaking through me, and they're telling me that this curse is about to be lifted, and no longer are we going to let you destroy us. Birds, elephants, tigers, all the animals of the kingdom coexist with one another. They all can, let's say you're in Africa and you need water. All the animals, you know what? They all have to share that watering hole. So there could be a lion and a gator, a hippo, and a gazelle, all at the same exact watering hole, because they know there has to be a balance. At some point, we must wake up as a people and take back our planet and understand that we are not in control. If you build a house on a piece of land and you let it go for 50 years and you don't nurture the lawn and everything, nature will grow right through it. Nature's gonna grow right through that house. The tree might break up the foundation. The weeds will cover the house. Give it another 200 years and it'll be gone. 200 years is nothing to this earth. Do you understand? And yet we get less than 100 years, or roughly 100 years, to live here. So, trust and believe. She will take back herself, and she is not affected. Global warming is a joke. It's real, but at the same time, it's a joke. We have no ability to destroy this planet. Now, we could nuke it, sure, but we will not destroy her. That's a message from Mother Nature.